Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the OSNAP crash error in Google Chrome web browser. So you must have faced a problem like this when you open the Google Chrome web browser. So it displays a error OSNAP. So how to fix this issue? So there are three methods to fix this and I'll show you the first one. Go to the Chrome shortcut, right click on this, click on properties, and just go to the end of this target path. Now copy one code and go to the end of that path, give one space and paste that code. Make sure to give this one space. Now click on apply button, continue and click on OK. Now relaunch the Chrome browser and see whether your issue is resolved or not. If method 1 does not work for you, try out the method 2. Now go to the shortcut and then click on properties and again go to that target path. This time just replace this previous code with the other code. Just copy this other code and in the same way just give one space and then paste the code. Make sure to give this one space here. After pasting this new code at the end of the target path, just click on apply button, continue and click OK. And now relaunch the Chrome web browser to see if the issue is fixed or not. If the issue is still not fixed, so now I'll show you the last method that you can try out. Just right click on the shortcut, properties, and this time click on open file location button. Now rename this chrome.exe file to Chrome, CHROM. Close this window, click on apply. Okay, so you have to change the name here also. So just change it here also. Click on apply, continue and OK. And now restart the Chrome browser and see if the issue is resolved or not. I'll give these codes in the description of the video for your help. So this is how you fix the OSNAP crash error in Google Chrome web browser. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.